Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, if you have recently updated your iPhone to iOS 27, there are a few things you should check right away. While Apple's latest update introduces exciting new features, some default settings may affect your privacy, battery life, and overall performance. In today's video, we will go over some important iOS 27 settings you may want to turn off immediately. So guys, one of the first things to review is background app refresh. So guys, you have to simply open settings on your device and then go to general and then scroll it below and go to background app refresh. So guys, while this feature allows apps to update content in the background, it can also drain battery life faster than expected. Disabling it for apps you don't frequently use can help extend your iPhone's battery life throughout the day. So guys, another setting worth turning off is unnecessary location services. So guys, you have to simply go to settings again and then scroll it below and go to privacy and security and go to location services. So guys, many apps continue tracking your location even when you are not actively using them. By limiting location access to while using the app or turning it off completely for certain apps, you can improve both privacy and battery performance. So guys, next check your analytics and improvement settings. So guys, for that you have to go to privacy and security again and scroll it below all the way and go to analytics and improvements. So guys, you have to simply check your analytics and improvement settings. By default, your iPhone may share diagnostic data and usage information with Apple. While this helps Apple improve its products, some users prefer to keep their data private. Turning these options off give you more control over your personal information. So guys, you should also review personalized ads and app tracking permissions. Disabling these settings can reduce targeted advertising and limit how apps collect data about your activity across other apps and websites. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.